Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll talk about the SUMIFS function. So let's see with an example how the SUMIF function works. We use SUMIF function when we have more than one criteria, more than one condition to fulfill. In this table, we have the name of the students, the various semesters they appeared for, the total score in each of the semesters, and the pass criteria. So let us find out the total here based on the three criteria that we have got, and we'll use one by one all of them. To start with, let us first take the first condition, which is for student 1, what is his total score in all the semesters and whatever be the pass criteria. So we are using equals to sum ifs, as you can see here, adds the cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. So we hit a tab here, sum range. This means the range that needs to be added, that needs to be selected first. So we select this is the sum range. We have to keep in mind if we are selecting the header in any of the ranges, we have to ensure that we are selecting the header in all the different ranges. We have to maintain consistency. Otherwise, the formula would not work. So this is the range that we want to add, comma, criteria range 1. So this is my criteria range from where I'll be selecting the criteria, comma, the criteria is student, the name of the student. And if I close the bracket here, the formula works perfectly fine. In this, we have used just one condition, which is the total score of student 1 in all the semesters and whatever be the pass criteria. Now suppose we want to add another condition to it. So we hit F2, we go to the end of the formula, we hit comma. Now it's talking about criteria range 2. So this is my second range from where I'll be selecting the second criteria, comma, second criteria is semester, and I hit enter. From here, if I select semester 1, so I get student 1 in semester 1, he has scored a total of 426, which is matching as you can see here in the table itself. And suppose from here, if I delete the first criteria, what happens? In semester 1, we don't get a score. If one of the criteria is removed, the formula doesn't work. It is not giving us any result. If we select student 2 in semester 1, so it's scoring 363, which we're getting here. Now, let us add a third criteria into this formula. Again, we go at the end, hit comma, select your third range from where the third criteria will be selected, comma, and select your criteria. So I'm just using a down arrow to select the range, select the right cell and hit enter. My third criteria is pass. So student 2 semester 1 who has passed is total score is 363. If I remove one of the criteria in between, the formula would not work because this criteria is not fulfilled. Similarly, select student 2 in semester 3. What is his pass score? He hasn't passed. The answer is 0. That means student 2 in semester 3 did not pass. See, he has failed. So if I select fail, the score comes. This is how the sum ifs function work, where we have multiple criteria, multiple condition to fulfill. I hope this video was helpful to understand the sum ifs function better. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you all soon in another video with another topic.